How do machines think? And what are they thinking about us? Have you noticed that machines have become a lot smarter than they used to be? In the past, machines could only do what they were programmed to do. They could only respond to pre-programmed commands. With AI, machines can learn new tasks and solve new problems on their own. But since machines don't have a brain, how do they learn? Machines learn through mathematical algorithms. To teach a machine to recognize a cat, you show it many pictures of cats, dogs, birds, and other animals, each labeled to tell them apart. The machine learns from both correct and incorrect guesses, getting better at understanding what a cat looks like. AI is really good at spotting complex patterns in information. For example, it can differentiate between things by looking at combinations of traits. Cats have whiskers, dogs have floppy ears, and birds have wings with feathers. This makes the machine faster at finding patterns and making good guesses. Two important things help AI become excellent at pattern recognition. AI breaks things down into tiny parts using neural networks. Think of breaking a picture into small pieces or pixels, which can then work together to recognize features like pointy ears and fur. Second, AI can search out different kinds of information or aspects of a cat, like the shape of a cat's face or tail, different colors, sizes, and shapes of cats. Even with all of this, anyone who has encountered a cat knows we're actually only scratching the surface of our ability to understand what truly makes a cat a cat. AI-powered machines can do more than just process new information. They also have access to a lot more information. In the past, computers had only access to a specific set of data, kind of like a library with digitized information that they could read. But now, with big data, machines can access a much larger amount of information. How much more? Think about all the world's libraries combined, plus all the social media posts, comments, and interactions, online shopping and browsing history, financial transactions and stock market data, healthcare records and patient information, weather and environmental data, video and image data from surveillance cameras, satellites, and more. All of this data is being continuously produced. Over the last 5 years, computers have become much more powerful thanks to advanced hardware like graphic processing units or GPUs and specialized AI chips. This increased power allows computers to handle larger and more complex amounts of data. This vast amount of data can show us patterns, trends, and insights that are valuable for things like business decisions, scientific research, making predictions, and a lot more. Machines with AI can spot patterns and use a lot of data to make smart guesses. What makes them even smarter is that now we can talk to them, and they seem to understand us. Think about how we ask Siri or Alexa for things like the weather report, or to play our favorite music. When they do what we ask and respond in words, it's like they really get us. The ability of AI-powered machines to not only process our verbal requests, but also respond in words we understand, using our language, and even simulating human voice and inflections, makes the machine seem a lot more human. Machines are a lot smarter than they used to be. Not only are they better at recognizing cats, but they can understand human language and have a lot more information to draw on to solve complex problems. Given how good AI is at solving problems, Is AI smarter than us? That depends on what you consider intelligence to be, the subject of our next video. Stay tuned.